Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us a new speaker from pTron, and it's the pTron MusicBot Cube, which is a portable smart speaker. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will show you its features. So here is the box of the MusicBot Cube. In the front of the box we can see that it's a portable smart speaker with built-in Alexa feature. And guys, this speaker is made in India. Here at this side of the box we have the specifications such as 3-watt speaker, 6 hours of playback time, 50mm driver, 3 far field mic, 2600 mAh battery, and here are some key features such as 5-button control, aux port, etc. The MRP of this speaker is 5299. However, it's available to purchase from Amazon for just Rs 1699. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we have the speaker itself, and guys, it's a square speaker and has a compact design. We will look at the speaker in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the user manual and also the device configuration guide. And guys, this has all the details on how to pair and set up this smart speaker. Then in the box we get an aux cable, micro USB charging cable, and a power adapter. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the speaker closely. Starting with the design and build quality, I find the design of this speaker pretty good. It has a minimalistic and a simple design, which I find very good. Now in terms of the build quality of the speaker is good. However, the sleeve of the speaker or the outer body is made up of this rubberized texture material, which gets dirty easily, and it's a dust magnet. But overall for the design and build quality, I find this smart speaker from pTron pretty decent. Now in terms of the buttons and overview, in the front we have the pTron branding, and here on the top we have the RGB LED light along with the 3 far field mics for voice command. At the back we have the buttons, and here we have the volume buttons along with the mute, mic and Bluetooth button. And here we have the Alexa and the Wi-Fi button. About the ports in this speaker, we have the micro USB port along with the aux port at the bottom. Now let's turn it on and configure this speaker. So the speaker is on now, and for configuration, you need to download the pTron MusicBot app. And here once you see the blinking RGB LED light, just scan for the speaker and log in with your Amazon Alexa account. Once done, you need to enter your Wi-Fi details. And that's it, your smart speaker is now ready to use. And now you can use the speaker hands-free with the Alexa command. So before we test the voice commands, let me tell you how to pair the speaker with your phone. You can either do it manually by going to the Bluetooth settings of your phone, or ask Alexa to connect to your phone. Alexa, connect to my phone. Now in terms of the sound and performance, the 50mm driver of the speaker offers a good quality sound output.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
It's clear and loud and has some decent bass, so for music, you will get a pretty decent performance. And keeping in mind the pricing and the features, we're happy with the overall performance of this speaker. Now let's talk about the main USP of the speaker, which is the Alexa voice commands. So as we have already configured the speaker with our Amazon account, we can give voice commands such as Alexa, how's the weather?
Right now in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, It's 25 degrees Celsius with clear skies. Throughout the night you can expect more of the same, with a low of 18 degrees.
And here are few more examples. Alexa, set a timer for 1 minute.
1 minute, starting now.
Alexa, set an alarm for 6 am tomorrow.
Alarm set for 6 am tomorrow.
Alexa, what is 45 multiplied by 32?
45 times 32 is 1440.
Alexa, how to say hello in Japanese?
Hello in Japanese is
こんにちは。
Alexa, tell me the latest news.
Anuj, here's your news. From India Today.
Hello, here's the latest news from India today.
Actor Jacqueline Fernandez.
So as you have also seen, the Alexa commands with this speaker works pretty good, and it works like normal Alexa speaker. The mic performance is pretty good, though it misses the command if you set the volume at max. For perfect results, pTron recommends you to keep the volume at 6 level. Overall, the pTron MusicBot Cube is a budget smart speaker. The sound quality is good, and with the built-in Alexa feature, we find the speaker value for money. The battery backup of the speaker is also pretty good, and you can also keep it plugged in if you're using this speaker at one fixed place. So to sum it up, we find this made in India smart speaker from pTron very good, and at this price, it's a pretty good deal. So if you're looking for a smart speaker for your home, then you can definitely check out the pTron MusicBot Cube. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the pTron MusicBot Cube smart speaker. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this speaker, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this.
Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.